Okay, Mom. Okay, my God. Yes, we can have it.
What is this for? Oh, it's for
Yay!
Remember
about this one?
I said I choose first.
What about this
We each
one?
take
Triangle.
Triangle. We have 6 shapes.
We should roll it. We should roll
Ah,
it,
there we go.
Mommy.
Yeah, we'll roll it. See how excited he is? Woo.
I
Wow.
don't think this is like
A
that.
rectangle. Okay.
Yeah, show them the rectangle. Who knew a simple case of Play-Doh from Dollar Tree could turn into so much learning and laughter? Today, my little son and I are exploring colors, shapes, and creativity together. This turned into the sweetest little homeschool moment ever.
No, but you can't take scissors.
Yeah, I'll have to help you with it because scissors is dangerous.
Yeah, for little kids. Mommy, can we open our own?
Mm-hmm.
Mom never can open it.
Yay.
Okay, my God. Yes, we can have it. I can wait. I wonder if I could, Mommy, can we just do this on our own? I could not.
Yay.
What is this for?
Oh, it's for
Yay!
Remember, this thick part is on top.
What shape is
The
this?
thin part is on the bottom.
What about
This
this
is the
one?
part that slices.
Okay.
And this one?
Okay, I said I wanted. I said I wanted.
What about this one? Ooh.
And hot
I choose
Alright.
first.
And what about this one?
I said I choose first.
Star. What about
We
this
each
one?
take
triangle.
Triangle. We have 6 shapes. And this is a modeling clay. We're going to be working with this
for
modeling clay. Okay, this is for ages 4 and up. And he's 4. So modeling clay, and they come in different colors. What color is this?
black.
And what about this one?
Mom, when do we start playing with it?
You can go ahead.
Oh,
Yellow.
This one.
I
Oh,
vote first.
Red. Orange. Yellow.
I'm using this.
Right. Good. So I'm going to cut this open. And this is so nice. It comes in a separate box
As
that
everything else.
So we should
the kids can just play with it afterwards. Put it right back.
We should roll it. We should roll
Ah,
it,
there we go.
Mommy.
Yeah, we'll roll it. See how excited he is? Woo. Wow, this is tightly.
Oh, there we go. There we go.
I have
I
to
want
open it. Okay, wait.
orange
Whoa.
and yellow.
Which one do you want to play with first? What color?
Actually, no. I want orange
Red.
and
Okay, you want to bring it out?
I want green and yellow.
There. Okay.
David, I want yellow. We roll it.
How do
Yeah.
you press them out?
I think I know. No.
I think we should use
I'll
a
do it.
knife to
Okay.
scoop it
No,
out.
no, no, no. Or maybe they're just because I don't want to get my nails dirty. Mommy, how do you pick them out?
I don't
We
know.
don't want to get our nails dirty.
What colors do you guys want?
I wanted orange and blue.
I want yellow and green.
I want yellow.
Let's just do one
David.
color. Who wants orange?
I
I
want yellow.
I want green.
Bear Cat's for yellow first.
Yeah.
You guys can share it. Divide it in half.
What?
Yeah, who asked for green?
Bear did.
Yeah, share the yellow.
I wanted the yellow first.
She wanted the yellow first, right? You can share it.
You can cut it
Divide
in half.
Yeah.
Because we aren't really going to use all of it, right? Right?
You want me to help you?
I
I used to see this on YouTube.
While you were waiting
A man on
to smash it
YouTube.
down.
Now the problem is that how are you gonna get down so fast?
Get what down?
Okay. Another one.
Oh no, we haven't finished.
This barely even works.
Hey, my turn.
Okay.
Wait. You have to flatten
That's
it.
it. I can just use this.
Okay, Mommy. Another one.
To go now.
Wait.
Nope. Actually, I'm just going to do
You have to flatten it so that you can cut the shapes. You want to cut out the shapes.
Okay.
Wait. You gotta have patience. I know you're excited, but wait. Let's flatten this out first.
Can I?
Okay. Almost finished.
Wait. We don't want it to be. We don't want the shapes to be too thick. Wow, this is hard. All right. Wait. Let's show them what you're doing together. No. Yep. All right. Go ahead. Cut. He's cutting out the shapes. What shape are you gonna cut out?
Hey, Derek, wait.
You're cutting out the
I'm
rectangle.
not done with it. It's not wide enough.
Press it in all the way. Good. And guess what? There's also something else that they have here that they added. It was like a something to cut out with. Oh, right here. This. Okay, you put it. And then we use this. This is what we use to cut it, right? Cut it. Wait. Okay. Wait.
Quick.
I don't think this is like
A
that.
rectangle.
Yeah, show them the rectangle. Yay!
Now let's do another one.
Okay, go ahead and do another one. What shape do you want to do?
I want to do orange one.
Okay. We're going to do a circle. Press it
Yeah,
down.
but you can't put it inside a book.
Okay.
And I made
Hold on. Let's shake it. You gotta shake it. And then, okay.
Maybe I need all the clay. Yeah, that's it.
Be careful. You want to lift it up. So, put it under
Also,
here.
I need to put it on somewhere
Lift it
less
up.
papery.
Okay, pull it out. That's your red circle.
Make something like this.
I want to do an earthquake.
You want to do a what?
An earthquake.
A what?
An earthquake.
Another clay. Okay, he wants to do another. He wants to do another clay. What clay would you like?
Person.
Oh, he put the circle and the rectangle together, and he said a person. Can you see that? That is amazing. Kids are very creative. All right. What else would you like to? Oh, another color.
Yeah.
He wants to choose another color. What color would you like?
Orange.
Orange. Oh.
I can't get out.
And then we have to roll out the orange, right?
Okay.
So we have to move this out of the way. All right, out of the way.
I wonder if this roller actually works.
It does. It's just hard. You have to take the clay is hard.
Yeah, very.
Okay, press it really hard.
Trying
Good. Sorry. Oh, good job.
Ah, it's wide enough for the squirrel.
Oh look, I made a bunny.
It's working. Yep.
It's never
Okay,
gonna
we can divide it in half. Okay,
No,
we
it's
can.
never
No,
going
David, we're not getting another color. If only I had
It's
more
hard.
colors.
I can hold it for you.
Pop it
Where am I
out.
done?
You want me to help you? Because you want it to be big, wide enough to cut the shapes out very well. Okay. Good. Okay. Let's. Wait. Oh. them.
Okay, Mommy. An orange. Okay, Mommy. Okay, Mommy.
All right.
And there's anything.
Cut it.
David.
Mom needs to make it flat.
Derek, if you make it too flat, then it's not going to come out right.
I'll make it flat enough.
Mommy. Mommy, look. A squirrel.
I need to fix it again.
Oh, wow.
All I need to do is to just use this.
You want me to help you with this? Oh, you're fine.
Fine.
Okay.
Get up. Now I need to do it again.
How many bones do we have in our body? 206, right?
Yes.
And how many do
The
we have?
average adult,
Yeah. And how many do kids have?
300.
300, yeah.
Now can I pick it up?
Oh, good. You got it. Okay, bring out the circle. Yay! You can put your orange circle
Can I do
in.
another one?
Yeah. What color? You want to do the same shape, circle shape? And you don't forget you have stars, and then you have a heart too.
I want stars.
Okay, you want a star?
Ta-da!
Good.
Good star.
Oh, that's a star in the middle of a circle.
Well, I tried my best. This is what happens after I.
Oh wow, that's nice. Big sister made this. It's a squirrel.
I need that.
This is the cutest squirrel ever. Wow. Here. Oh wow. You want me to help you bring out the star?
Can I use some green?
They're not falling apart.
I want half.
They're all apart.
That's your star.
That's very, very good. And
Oh,
wait,
it looks like a
Before you
medal,
break it apart.
a trophy medal
yes.
with a star in the middle of
I
it.
have an idea.
Saying good job. This is like what people get when they win sports.
You mean medal? Or trophy?
Medal.
Okay. Thanks.
I need
My
more
brain
days.
is actually kind of small. I mean, look. David made us long.
Let's show. What did you make? Oh, good job.
Look. I made an elephant.
Wow!
An elephant with yellow. Mine. Can you take a picture?
I can put in the video. This is what his older brother made, a lion.
Wow! Can I look?
Hey, Mama, look. The truck
Don't mess it up.
moves.
Don't mess it up.
Oh, look, the truck moves.
Yeah, I know. I'm missing the camera.
This is what
I want to have it
the
at.
big sister made this elephant.
Ooh, you're using the blue clay?
Mommy, I want to go to another. I want to
I
make
like to use
another.
some blue.
You want to make
But I
another?
haven't finished using the
You want to make a heart? A red heart?
Are you still using the green or can I use the yellow? David, can I use your yellow? Hey, thanks.
Okay.
Whoa! I can make an airline with blue.
Can I?
Oh, I want to make a rabbit. But you've already made a rabbit.
No, I'm gonna make this one.
It's done. Now we're going to clean up. Did you have fun?
Wow. If you're not using the rolling pin right now, someone might want to buy it.
I need a rolling pin.
Can I borrow it? But don't take it by force. You have to ask.
Make sure you bring it back. Make sure you bring it back.
Yeah.
Just make sure that you bring it back to me.
Okay.
Does the bicycle want to play with some of our animal shapes?
I don't know.
No, I think it's fine.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you so much for watching how we teach with this modeling clay.
Okay.
Bye.
Look what I made.